What's up, everybody? It's been about 6 months since our last video. I think people have been asking us what we want, some more videos, so gonna start trying to film more stuff. Just trying to get some trucks and builds done out of the shop, working on some like plasma cut stuff, like the big box thing, and just a ton of cutting and all that stuff over there. We went to LS Fest. I'm gonna drop some cool videos from that. We went and filmed for Holley and did some cool videos and like the off-road stuff. This truck is Big B's truck. It's almost wrapped up. We're actually putting fluid in it. It starts and runs. There's some problem with the drive shaft, so we're gonna fix that. But it's pretty much ready to go to body shop or get some body work done on it. We've been doing a lot of boat stuff. That is cool. Our shop looks like a junkyard right now. This is like a 4.8 stroker build that should be running like in a week, 2 weeks, probably a month. We went to our buddy's bachelor party, took this thing, broke it, had to put a new rear end in it, and I think we blew up the motor, so that's cool. It needs a new motor anyway. It's a 6-liter in that. Bought a motor home. It's a Cummins 12 valve with the Allison 6-speed. Did a horrible sticker job on it, but it's kind of cool. This is the new boat project. It's an old boat we had. We almost threw it away, but now boat pricing is way expensive, so we just thought we would Ellis swap this one. I'm going to take the cover off and show that. This is our other boat. I'll take the cover off and show you this. We did full interior on it, and it looks pretty cool. We just went to the lake for like 3 days for Memorial Day, and it was pretty fun. The interior's probably the nicest interior I've ever had, but I'm gonna take this cover off and show you what we did with this because it's a really cool project. Here's the boat exhaust. They are 8-to-1 headers built from Danny Giannini. They are rotary fire, so it makes it extra cool sound. Hopefully in a couple weeks we'll be running. He's gonna come out, we're gonna check out Lopez with it, and hopefully it runs good. We did AFR heads, AFR Mongoose heads, roller rockers, I think it's stage 3 BTR cam. I'll look up what I ordered, but stage 3 BTR cam. And these are, I made custom coil mounts. Let me make this look right. I built some custom coil mounts that bolt to like the factory like engine mount. We are doing water lines right now, so these are just like ICT billet, like electric water pump relocation brackets, and then you just run two to a T, and then same thing on the other side, and there's in and out. So this is like the out port, and then there's like an in over there, so it's pretty simple. These are already a couple lines that were made up, but I think they're off a shock or something. I don't even know what these are from. Our buddy helped us do the carpet. Can't really see under the tarp, but the carpet's all fresh. I built these this rail kit for Ellis's, so if anybody else wants to do Ellis swap, it's pretty simple. I'm going to make some thicker ones out of aluminum. This is just steel, like prototype. The drive shaft is a, I think CP Performance. It's like $300-400. And there's like the little puck that bolts to the flywheel, and dual intake from Holley. And this is dual intake from Holley, so it's a dual plenum intake. There's 2 throttle bodies, 95mm throttle bodies, and we're running the Holley terminator harness. And then it just basically just runs the motor. Then we're going to run the gauges. I'm going to build some cool bracket for the factory gas pedal like that comes with these boats, because it's a push throttle, not a pull throttle like cars, because the motor's behind you. Just a regular Berkeley jet pump. We're going to put a place diverter on the back, and then we did a flake job, which you can't really see right now because it's overcast, but super flaky. I'll put a cool video of that, show that, and then I'll show you the other. Here's the Tarva interior we just had redone from our buddy Javier, and he did all diamond stitch and all the side pieces. There's a 460 Packajet Berkeley motor. I guess I don't know what it is, but it runs real good. I'll fire her up. I think it should start. We redid the carpet and the interior. So that's what we've been up to, boat stuff, but we'll try our best to get more videos out in a timely manner.
Hit it!
Come on, Austin. I'm just stuck behind this cage watching these animals go around in circles.